check out these spooky magnifying glasses. I made them in a video a little while ago, and I was asked for more of a step-by-step tutorial. So let's get started. First up, you have to pick out some magnifying glasses. I got them from Dollar Tree. Next up, I use Roycycled Treasures Decoupage Paper in the Halloween Masterboard. And before I get too far into this, I would like to give a shout out to One Vintage Lane. They are who inspired me to create this project. So right now you see I'm just trying to figure out what images I'm going to use. I settled on the owl, and if you can see up at the top, the palm. I then took a pencil and lightly traced to kind of give me a guiding point to cut it out. After I cut it out, I did a little bit better job of rounding the edges. However, I wanted extra paper because I didn't want any chance of the glass showing when I decoupaged it down. I personally like using DIY liquid patina as my decoupage medium, but you can use whatever you would like. So I decided what would be the back side of my magnifying glass, and I covered it with liquid patina. After I did that, I also made sure I got around the little edges, the rim. After I did that, I took the paper and I misted it quite well. The wetter it was, the more it would form to the edges or the curves of the magnifying glass. When I was done pressing it in, because that's what you want to do, you want to make sure that you're pressing it closely to the magnifying glass because you want it to adhere, and you also want to make sure that it is applied to the edges. I then applied another layer of liquid patina on the back just to protect it, and here's the thing. You have to now let it dry because the paper is saturated between the water and the liquid patina, and it took quite a while for them to dry. After allowing it to completely dry, this is what it looks like. However, I wanted to go one step further and take some dark wax and kind of give like a haze on the back to give it age and make it look more authentic. It also helped kind of disguise the little edges that were on the rim of the paper because then it wouldn't stick out as much. I did this on the back, and then once I did it, I realized maybe it was too straight of a line. So I did a little bit of pouncing to give it kind of more of an authentic edging. And then that was it. As soon as I was done with the dark wax, these two were done, and they are perfect for your Halloween decor.